news, and I thought it's really important to discuss that over here. So recently, many retailers across various countries, not just in Canada, are pulling back on self-checkout. There are various reasons people said about it. So I also investigated those reasons. And yes, theft is an important reason why they are going back. Again, like most of the people don't do like that. Very few people do like that. But yes, it does happen. Nobody can deny that. Now, in my previous videos, I have already told you that I have seen increased uh, presence of associates or surveillance around self-checkout area. So why it's easy to steal something from self checkout area even though there are associates and all, and why they like even after putting associates and even after intense receipt check, uh, people are still managing to do it. That's what I was um, concerned about, and I did some investigation. I'm going to share it with you. This is like I want to clarify, I don't do this, and I know most of the people don't do this. So why people are still managing to do some kinds of theft using self-checkout? Let me give you some live examples. You go to Walmart, you want to buy tomatoes. Now for tomatoes, you'll find three or four varieties, right? So and all with different prices. So you lot of people, what they do, they take, and I should not use the word lot of people, I apologize. Some people, what they do, they pick up an expensive variety of tomatoes, but at the time of billing, they will select a cheap variety of tomato. So there is a loss for the retailer, right? And it is like a misdemeanor. Even if they are caught, they said, "Oh, it's just like a tomato or something," right? First thing. Second thing, let's say you buy 10 packets of biscuit, okay, and you scan all of them, but some people, very few people, intentionally, for example, would scan 9 out of 10. So one pack is going out, right, without getting billed. This is another example. Uh, Third, that like hardly got any evidence, but someone had mentioned it to me, and I know it's difficult to do, but you don't know people what they can do. Like let's say you want to buy clothes, right? You pick up two t-shirts. One is something that you like, second one is cheapest. They go to the what do you call, changing room, change the price tags. Now this cannot be done in all the products because sometimes it's not sticked with a sticker, but rather it's tied to it. So it's not possible all the times, but sometimes it is possible. So very few people do that as well. Again, retail thefts, grocery thefts are not something new, and we have seen spike after pandemic, no doubt, because of various reasons, political and other reasons. So I won't go into those reasons, but now inflation has played a key role in this. But these are certain ways people are still managing, and that's why lot of stores, those who have gone completely on old cashier based, I won't be surprised if more stores go as well. So that is what it is, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.